Deep in the heart of Namibia's Namib Desert lies a place that feels frozen in time. Vlei, an eerie yet stunning clay pan surrounded by towering orange dunes. The ghostly silhouettes of ancient camelthorn trees. Long dead, but preserved by the arid climate. Stand like sculptures against the cracked white earth. This striking contrast of colors, the blackened trees. The bright orange dunes and the deep blue sky creates a surreal, almost otherworldly landscape. Vlei isn't just a place to see, it's a place that stays with you. A stark reminder of nature's power to create haunting beauty in the harshest of environments.